Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It is Friday, and I got a surprise for you guys, and I'm very excited to show you guys. Obviously, I'm super stoked about it. This isn't going to be a long video at all. It's actually going to be a really short video, so let me get in the car, and then I'll explain to you guys what's up. Actually, judging by this title, you guys wouldn't really know what the surprise is, depending on what my title is. Okay, so we're just gonna drive home and we're gonna see what the surprise is, because I know what it is, but I know you guys are waiting, and I don't really want to spoil it necessarily, but the thumbnail will probably give it away. So since the thumbnail is gonna give it away automatically, I'll just tell you guys, I got new wheels. And no, I did not need new wheels. No, like, my wheels are fine, like nothing, I'm driving on them right now. If you guys follow my Instagram, you guys know that I am currently on these Kansai wheels, which are a 9 up front, which are an 18 by 9 up front, and then an 18 by 9.5 in the rear. So that being said, this new setup should be, like I said, more tire friendly, more just like longevity of tires and the ability to just swap out or just rotate the tires and not have to worry too much about flipping them, because I don't really have access to a tire machine. Now that I've gone through the process of why I chose a square setup, I also chose this set of wheels because of the wheels themselves. I've seen these wheels in Need for Speed and a bunch of other games just like that, and honestly, once I seen them on other cars, I was like, wow, I had to have them on this car specifically. And at first, I didn't think I would be able to find a spec that suited me perfectly, but in the end, this spec just came up like randomly online, so obviously, and at a super fair price, which I'll show you guys the listing later once we get there. Guys, that's 3,000 RPM. I don't know if you can hear how loud it is, which I don't have any mic set up on my GTI currently, so that's why it's super echoey, and because if not, I would have my mic here. Anyways, so that's why I went with these wheels. Tire friendly, nice design, and obviously 3-piece. But I will need spacers, and a lot of people always ask me, hey, what spacers are you running? What adapters do you run? You know, how are you beating up the car and like still using adapters and such? My secret to that is, one, higher quality adapters. I don't know where you guys order your adapters, or if you guys just order them all on eBay like how people say, but the adapters I get from H&R, which are from Eurotuning, no really specialty retailer, no nothing super special about them. I got them from Eurotuning, and they work fine. I make sure to follow the instructions, the install instructions. I go back in after I drive a certain mileage. I don't know if you guys do that, but that's what I do. So I don't really have a problem with them. Now, I've had problems with other things, and those things have to do with me not tightening them as well, but as far as just longevity and driving, daily driving, car driving, whatever, the H&R spacers do actually a really good job at that. So that's pretty much enough of me talking. I'm kind of like done with that. So just enjoy the ride, enjoy the VR sounds, because we'll be home soon. Okay guys, so we made it home, and we got one of the boxes here. I got my lovely assistant helping me out with the camera, so let's head over here. Ignore the box, it says revolve wheels on it. We're just gonna open it up. You guys are seeing it as fresh as I'm seeing it, so stop. This is crazy. Oh, this is crazy. Okay, that's them. Those are thems. These are thems. the other reasons why I wanted a model similar is because a lot of people said that they missed the old wheel setup, and this is the old wheel that I have right here. These are my JNC's NT33s, I think they're called, which are the rev version of the NT03. So, as you guys can see, it's a similar kind of like face style and wheel style in general. We got more spokes here on the rev wheel, obviously, but I did want a little bit more of a simpler design on my actual wheels. So that's pretty much it. The wheel is how it is. I wasn't expecting anything perfect, especially these being the original lips and all. So I'm also like pretty scared to take this off. Let's see if the lips don't really look damaged. I'm gonna have to check all the wheels before I fully start mounting them, and to make sure that all of the hardware back here is good. But I mean, it looks fine to me. It's just a little rusty. But yeah, the centers are redone, if you guys were wondering, and the lips are polished, and I'm pretty sure all of this is original. I don't really have too much info. This is all just based off what the website told me. And it is super hot in here. So that's it, guys. This is my wheel reveal. And now that you guys know, maybe you guys will be able to sleep tonight, and so will I. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for joining another video. Like I said, I do have a lot of 12-box stuff in the house right now that got delivered with these. So I do need to show you guys that, but that's a completely separate video, like I was saying. This is specifically just towards the wheels. And yeah, it's hot. I'm gonna go inside. It's Friday. I'm gonna go chill out, and I'm gonna go see what kind of tires I want to put on these. So I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Peace out.